guys, welcome back to the channel. You know, it's Rush Discover Boss, and we're here with another exclusive review. Yes, we're back at Dream 36 in Ironshore, Montego Bay. First of all, if you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, remember to share, and definitely leave a comment as well. So I did a previous video on this property. So for that previous video, I'll definitely put the link in the description so that you guys can see as well. So we're going to check out this property. It's a luxury development. Again, we're in Ironshore. I'm on Cassia Road to be exact. And this is a development being done by the Dream 36 development team. We're gonna definitely get an inside tour as well, so you guys definitely stay tuned, watch the entire video, and we'll definitely check out this property today. So again, some of the amenities: we have infinity pool on the rooftop, conference room, movie theater, convenience store, rooftop bar, so it's a lot of amenities, jogging trail, gym, you name it, they have it. So guys, it's an exclusive tour. Stay tuned so you can see everything and you can come along on the tour as well. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, guys, just give you a closer look at the finished project so you guys can have an idea of what it will look like. So that's Dream 36. So we see adequate parking. The entrance will be at the front, infinity pool on the rooftop, and you'll be able to have a very good view of the ocean once you're on the roof as well. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert a very short video which shows how the entire property will look. So stay tuned, and the video is coming right now. Alright guys, so we're now on the property. So again, 6 floors. And we'll take a walkthrough as well. So you guys stay tuned for that. And then this is the front yard area, which will have parking and other amenities as well. And again, if you guys need to contact the developer, his name is MANOJ. I'll put the number in the link and in the description. And the number is 383, that's 876 of course, 383-5678. So you can definitely give him a contact. We still have a few units available. But again, all the contact details will be in the comments and the description. You can also give me a buzz and I can definitely link you up with the developers as well. So this is a well sought after property because of all the amenities, because of the location, very close to the Sangsters Airport, very close to the city of Montego Bay as well. So well sought after, guys. Alright, so let's take a walk inside and look at some of the rooms and then we'll go on the rooftop as well. Alright guys, so we're now in one of the 2-bedroom units. So for example, we've seen where the tray ceilings is being installed right now. Windows and doors will be coming in soon. We see AC outlets going in, electrical outlets going in as well. So the rooms are coming along very quickly, very nicely as well. This is on the ground floor. So we'll definitely show you some of the rooms from the top floor as well so you guys can get to see the view. And again, the rooms are going very fast. So you guys definitely reach out so you can secure yours as well. So Ironshore, Montego Bay, a very sought after area. So you wanna jump in from early. Alright, and as you can see guys, very high ceiling, so ventilation will be very good. This is a wash area right here, and if we go around this side, we have walk-in closets on both sides. Come on here, I think this would be the bathroom area. So you'll have shower. Some rooms may have jacuzzi as well, especially the penthouse. But this is one of the 2-bedroom units. This is the ground floor. So walk-in closet here. Very good space. And again, lots of light will be able to come in because of the windows, or the multiple windows. And then you also have a balcony as well. So you'll have sliding doors that leads to the balcony. So every room will have a balcony. And then this is the back. I'll show you guys better when I'm finished. But this will have like play area for kids, jogging trail, and other recreational stuff can happen there as well. Alright, so this is ground floor. Let's go a bit higher. Alright guys, so we're on the 2nd floor, just standing on the corridor. So right here will be all glass, and then you'll be able to look over into the lobby area, which will be all glass coming all the way up as well. So you'll be able to have some great views. You'll be able to have mountain views as well. And then from the other side is where you get the ocean views. So lobby area will be down here, and this entire area is all glass. And the elevator is currently going in right now. Let's take a look. Alright guys, so right here will be the conference room space. So once you're a guest, once you're a owner, you'll be able to book the conference room for a meeting, for anything you choose. So this is the conference room area. Work is still ongoing, so you may hear some noise here and there because it's still an active work site. Alright, and then right beside the conference room you have the theater. So this will be the theater space, so you'll be able to book the theater as well for a family time, a family movie, friends over, whatever the case is. And then of course you'll be having, glass windows, so you still have your view. Then coming right from the theater, you have the elevator access right here. For the back of the elevator will be all glass, so you'll be able to see the ocean while going up. So I'll show you guys that as well. And then here would be a little, chill area. All right, let's check out one of the rooms now that has tiles. All right, guys, so this unit now is a 1-bedroom. So just a quick walkthrough with you guys. So we'll have the kitchen area right here. So we see plumbing fixtures going in. We see where tiling is going in as well. Again, a lot of ventilation and light and good views as well. So there's some neighboring apartment complex right beside. So you definitely have some good views anywhere you are. And depending on what side you are, you have mountain views up that side and then ocean views over this side. So this would be living and dining. And again, lots of windows, lots of glass. So again, right next to the Sangsters International Airport, that's a plane taking off right there. So you're coming in from Sangsters, in just a few minutes you're home to your vacation home or whatever the case is. And then you have some more townhouses and apartment complex on this side as well. Right, so you have some townhouses on this side, and then right over there is the ocean. So some great views of the ocean. And this is only the 3rd floor, so the higher you go is the better the view as well. Alright, so right here as you see there will be a balcony. So you have a balcony right here. And then let's take a look in the bedroom and closet area. So this would be the bedroom. This is a 1-bedroom unit as I said before. And again, only a few units that are left, guys. Most of the units are gone, so reach out from early. Again, the contact number will be in the description and in the comment section. And then this would be his and her closet area. So you'll probably have sliding doors right here. And then right here would now be the bathroom area. So this looks like his and her sink. And then standing shower area as well. So plumbing going in, electrical going in, tile going in. So in just a few months this will be ready to be occupied. And again, guys, in terms of contact number, it's 383-5678. That's MANOJ. That's one of the developers of this property, Dream 36. And again, prices start 196,000 US, which works out to approximately 27 mil Jamaican. And right here now would be the gym area. This entire section will be the gym. So you'll be able to exercise. Gym is on the property. And again, all the exterior section will be glass. So while exercising, you'll have a very good view of the mountain as well. So gym area, and we're now still on the 3rd floor. Let's take a look downstairs. Alright, so that's where we're coming from. So that would be parking. Alright guys, so bathroom and shower area after you're finished with the gym. And just a little correction, we're actually on the 4th floor. So this is the view from the 4th floor. And again, all this will be parking, so lots of parking spaces. And still a lot of lands left to be developed as well. So I'm pretty sure in the next few years, this entire area will have gated communities, apartment complexes, townhouses, because we still have a lot of lands that can be developed. So very nice neighborhood. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Leave your comments, leave your thoughts, and let me know what you think. Alright, so I think we can go on the roof next, just to show you guys the view from the roof and what's happening up on that side. Alright guys, so just showing you some quick glimpses of this 3-bedroom penthouse. So right here would be kitchen to the back, then living and dining. Um, the stairs is not yet complete, but this will be a stairs going up to the second floor, which will have another 2 bedrooms. So downstairs we'll have wash area, also have a bathroom as well, along with closets. If you're wondering why the sun, it's for the tiling. So yeah, so you'll have a balcony here, and one will be upstairs as well for the bedrooms for the penthouse. So I'm standing on the balcony. So again, great views. And the main road is literally like 2 to 3 minutes away. And as you can see the ocean. And then Sangster's International Airport is just over there. So great location, great views, great amenities as well. And again, these units are going very quickly, just a few left. So down the Montego Bay side, this is really one of the well sought after properties. So definitely make your move, guys, before it's all gone. So again, Dream 36 developers, and it's 36 units from 1 bedroom to 2 bedroom to penthouse, which includes 3 bedroom as well. So again, guys, elevator access, stairs as well. And then this will be the residence lounge, very big area. So this will consist of a bar, couch, flat screen TV. You can watch a football game, you can chill, while looking at the views. So this will be like a chill area, a lounge area, for all residents to be able to use. And right above it is the infinity pool. So this is the base for the infinity pool. It will be on this side, and it will cover this entire length. Once we go on the roof, we'll see it a bit better. But right down here is the lounge area, and of course all this will be glass, so views will not be a problem. So when it comes to amenities, guys, this property covers it, ranging from multiple bars, convenience store, infinity pool, lounge area, gym, conference room. It's really, really a luxurious property, guys. Alright, guys, currently using the stairs to go up to the rooftop area. This is one of the garbage chutes in the building. So, garbage in, garbage out. You don't have to worry about that part. And again, views for days. So, heading up to the rooftop area now so you guys can see the full view. So, come along with me. Alright, guys, so this is the final area we're looking at, the rooftop area. I know you guys have been waiting to see what the rooftop is like. So, stay tuned while I walk around. And again, guys, once you've made it so far in the video, just leave a comment. Just type Dream36 if you have reached this far in the video. So right here will be the rooftop bar. So these pipes will be for the bar area. Of course, this would be the elevator access right here. So that's the elevator access. And let's take a look over this side. So again, we have quite a few gated complexes right behind the property. And then that's the view. So if you look out that side, if you are familiar with the area, that's Blue Diamond Plaza. Out that side. Not sure if you guys can see very clear. So that's the Blue Diamond Plaza. So you have an idea of where we are. And again, this is the view from the rooftop. Alright, so elevator access is being worked on, and they're putting out the codes and whatever they need to do. So elevator access right here, and from the elevator, this will be the infinity pool right here. So this will be the pool area. And again, the water will run over to this side, and you'll be able to have all this view while you're in the pool. So this is your pool view. And again, a lot of mansions up in the hill as well. So a lot more development coming for this area. Alright, so let's go over to this side. So this is the step for the pool. Alright, so very long pool, very decent size. Alright, so right here will be the shower area. So both male and female shower and bathroom. And all this area will be covered as well, so you'll be able to, you know, relax throughout the entire day. You'll be covered, so it provides shade. And then you'll have a rooftop jacuzzi now that faces the ocean. So from the jacuzzi you'll be able to see the ocean view. So the jacuzzi will be over this corner. Right, so over this corner we'll have the jacuzzi area. So on the rooftop, bar, a convenience store area, pool, jacuzzi, changing room again, bathroom again, and just a general lounge area just to relax, enjoy the view, and have a good time. And again guys, I can't emphasize the view too much. I'm in love with the view. And then as I mentioned, the main road is just like 3 minutes away. Alright guys, so again, remember to leave your comments, remember to share the video as well. You know, probably somebody, probably not you, but somebody else may be looking for a property in Mobay. So remember to share the video so that others can see. Probably even have a friend or a family that's currently looking for a property. So share the video as well guys, and remember to leave a comment. And then the final thing I'll be showing you guys is the back of the property. So you guys have a, you know, view from the back as well. Alright guys, so we're now at the back of the property. Just want to show you guys a glimpse of the back of the elevator. So the back will be completely glass, so you'll be able to see the ocean while going up. So those sections that you see the board, those sections will be glass. I'm gonna dress back some more so I give you guys a better view of what the elevator shaft will be like, because this entire section will be empty, so you'll still have a view while going up in the elevator. Alright guys, so again this is the back, and then this is the elevator shaft. So this entire section will be for the elevator, and then once you're in the elevator you'll have a view going up. So the back section of the building. Again guys, remember to leave your comments, remember to subscribe, remember to like, and again contact details will be in the description and in the comments as well. And only a few units are left. What would have been real good as well is a drone video of this property, and we are working on the drone. The drone is coming to the channel soon, So again, if you want to donate to the channel, you have PayPal and other option as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for clicking on this video, and in advance, thanks for subscribing and commenting. And again, these are your neighbors.